AI is a very big part of it. So we need to make a lot of research on AI, and we need to get it work very well. It needs to be smart enough to make the player feel that they're sneaking in.
And because our game is a stealth game, I need to focus a lot on how to make the enemies seem real.
Also be helping out with some of the coding, just because we sort of need our core in there so that we can actually go and make levels for it. Of course, you know, it doesn't make sense to have a world if you're not able to do anything in it.
The most important thing we need to work first is the scale of the world we are going for. It might be too big or too little.
Obviously the level design, of course, because that is my beat.
I am most excited about working on the game overall. I'm excited about programming intelligent enemy behaviors.
For myself, I'm very excited. I was always excited being project manager. So the challenge changes. So previous term it was I wasn't doing much about project management, but this term actually I'm using Pivotal, which is project management tool.
Well, it's fun since you get to make stuff in 3D and everything will put together to form visually well created virtual reality. So that's the cool thing about the modeling.
Probably actually going and building the game world itself, particularly after white boxing out the entire thing, putting in encounters, and then actually putting in the art assets, really bringing the world to life.
Also excited about looking at particle effects, how to add sound effects to the game. We also met with our sound design team, our collaborators from the sound design campus at VFS, and they were pretty excited with our concept as well.
I'm also so excited actually seeing the game because this term will be the time we will be adding everything into our scene. We will have our enemy characters, we will have our art assets and everything. So when everything is in there, I want to see the game. So which is I think very exciting.
Even though it was like just creating models, some of the questions still remaining. The having a total picture in my head on what to make, so it's still confusing process.
So the game development process has been pretty enlightening, I would say. It's like an eye-opener because before we even began the production phase, we were just told how the production phase goes, what happens, and we used to only hear people talking about it. But now, since I have begun experiencing it, I have started feeling the pressure and feeling the excitement of production phase.